Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an off-grid solar power system. We'll cover the 5 main components you'll need: solar panels, a charge controller, a battery bank, an inverter, and the necessary wiring. Understanding each part is key to a successful setup. We'll guide you through the process, from calculating your energy needs to maintaining your system for long-term reliability. Get ready to harness the power of the sun. Sizing your system correctly is crucial for reliable off-grid power. First, calculate your total daily energy consumption in watt-hours. Next, determine your location's average peak sun hours. Your solar array should generate at least 120% of your daily needs. For battery storage, aim for 3 to 5 days of autonomy, providing a buffer for cloudy weather. This ensures consistent power, even when the sun isn't shining brightly. Let's dive into the core components. Solar panels, typically monocrystalline or polycrystalline, convert sunlight into direct current electricity. A charge controller then regulates this power, preventing your batteries from overcharging or deep discharging, which extends their lifespan. The battery bank stores this energy, acting as your power reservoir. Finally, an inverter transforms the stored direct current into alternating current, suitable for most household appliances. Don't forget proper wiring and safety disconnects. Proper installation and regular maintenance are key to a long-lasting system. Mount your solar panels securely, ideally facing true south for maximum sun exposure. Connect your components in the correct order: panels to controller, controller to battery, and battery to inverter. Regularly clean your panels to ensure peak efficiency. For flooded lead-acid batteries, check electrolyte levels monthly. Annually, inspect all wiring and connections for any signs of wear or corrosion. Enjoy your sustainable power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.